Hello, beautiful souls. Today we're talking about one of the most powerful superfoods in the world, blueberries. These tiny blue gems are not only delicious but packed with health benefits you may not know about. Let's dive into why you should. Start eating blueberries every day. 1. Rich in antioxidants, blueberries are one of the highest antioxidant fruits on the planet. These antioxidants fight free radicals, the bad guys that damage our cells and speed up aging. Eating blueberries helps protect your body from chronic diseases, cancer, and early aging. 2. Great for brain health. Want to stay sharp and focused? Blueberries are known to boost memory and brain function. Studies show that eating blueberries regularly may delay brain aging by up to 2.5 years. They improve communication between brain cells and may help prevent Alzheimer's. S.3. Supports heart health. Blueberries can lower bad cholesterol, reduce blood pressure, and support overall heart health. The natural compounds called flavonoids improve blood flow and protect arteries. Just a handful a day can make a big difference for your heart. For glowing skin and anti-aging. Want glowing, youthful skin? Blueberries are a secret beauty food. They fight wrinkles, dark spots, and inflammation. Plus, vitamin C helps your body make collagen, keeping your skin firm and smooth. 5. Helps control blood sugar. Though they taste sweet, blueberries are low on the glycemic index. That means they won't spike your blood sugar. It's perfect for people with diabetes or those watching their weight. They also improve insulin sensitivity. 6. Boosts immunity packed with vitamin C, vitamin K, and fiber. Blueberries help support a strong immune system. They help your body fight off colds, flu, and even inflammation in your gut. Blueberries are small but mighty warriors. 7. Good for digestion and weight loss. Blueberries are rich in fiber, which helps keep your digestion smooth and your stomach full. They're low in calories, making them a great snack for weight loss. Add them to yogurt, smoothies, or salads. They're as versatile as they are powerful. So there you have it. Just 1 cup of blueberries a day can do wonders for your body, mind, and skin. Blueberry fruits shake recipe, healthy and creamy ingredients. 1 cup fresh or frozen. Blueberries, 1 banana for natural sweetness and creaminess. 1/2 cup plain Greek yogurt or coconut yogurt for vegan. 1/2 cup fresh milk or almond oat milk for dairy-free. 1 tablespoon honey or maple syrup optional. If you like it sweeter, add 3 to 4 ice cubes. Add 1/2 teaspoon chia seeds. If you want more for extra fiber, add mint leaves. If you want for garnish, instructions in a blender. You add blueberries, banana, yogurt, milk, honey if using ice cubes, chia seeds. Blend everything for about 30 to 45 seconds till smooth and creamy. Pour into a tall glass. Add garnish with a few blueberries and a mint leaf on top. Serve immediately and enjoy the cool, refreshing taste of health in every sip. Health benefits. High in antioxidants, supports digestive health. Great for skin and brain. Energy boosts without sugar crash. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay healthy with nature.